Using video modeling to improve social skills for people with ASD. Video modeling is an evidence-based practice that uses visual stimuli to model behavior to meet a need. Because we know visual stimuli is more effective for people with ASD, we use video modeling to address deficits in social skills that people with ASD may have through social skill training using video. In practice, this could be a video modeling how to greet a peer during COVID while maintaining social distancing and wearing a mask. Or a video modeling how to appropriately react to unexpected situations. Or a video modeling how to ask open-ended questions to facilitate a conversation. Or appropriate types of language to use when you're at school. When evaluating what social skills to focus on, always consider culture, gender, and age. Cultural considerations could include behavior during cultural ceremonies and celebrations, what a person with ASD is expected to do, what a person of that gender is expected to do, what a person of that age is expected to do. When considering gender of the person with ASD could affect social skills considering dating life, or how much personal space is appropriate, or how to have appropriate conversations with someone of another gender, or what might be inappropriate to do with someone of another gender. Both physical age and developmental age should be considered when creating appropriate goals. A social skill for a child could be to learn how to start a conversation. A social skill for a teen could be how to learn to understand sarcasm. Or a social skill for a teen could be to learn how to know when someone is trying to take advantage of them. Also consider the effects of ASD on the family, because families are greatly impacted financially, socially, and emotionally when a member of their family has ASD. We must ensure their needs are met. The planning process for video modeling. First, decide on the skill being taught. Then, make a script. Then, rehearse the lines. Finally, record the video. The video modeling the behavior is given to them and watched several times. Video modeling can be used alone, or it could be used in conjunction with another evidence-based practice, like role-playing. The goal should be focused around their need, but the possibilities are endless. Check out the following tools for video modeling.